How to create emotional Stutter House in FL Studio. So the first thing we definitely need is a very emotional chord progression. In this case, I'm using strings. So here comes the stutter effect. So everything you've got to do is just to go in the mixer channel where you have the strings, and then you're going to open up gross beat, and then you're going to go in the presets, press momentary, and now you have a few stutter effects. I like in this case the saw gate one the most. So those are the same strings with a stutter effect. So now everything we've got to do is just to add some vocals, add the drums, the hi-hats and the bass line, and here's what comes out. If you're now still struggling, I'm offering one-on-one online coachings where I'm going to explain your house music production more in detail in FL Studio. To find out more, message me privately over Instagram. And if that doesn't interest you, make sure to go on my YouTube channel. The link for that is in my bio. You can basically check out plus 200 YouTube tutorials where I'm explaining tech house production, progressive house production more in detail. Oh, and make sure to like and follow me for more content in the future.